Khong duak, take one block inside so that you can press the block. And after, same option, option mode, option high, option bar, option bone. Tatka biat ko. Now Praveenyoga, same option, mochut ko. If anybody can, so they can try hands in between the legs. And then try the same. You can try here or press the bar. Yeah? So you have num option, 5 option. Tabdi, just try. Come on, tabdi. Num high option, hold your ankle and push your hip front side. Lift up your spine. 1, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, come in the cat pose and come in the downward facing dog. Thang by thang, chin and thang. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody upward facing dog. Drop the knee down, open shoulder, look up, just for the alternate, relaxing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Once again, downward facing dog. And now, this will be the last sequence. Chan chai lane. Lift your left leg up. Hip square, thang long. And chan chai. Walk left leg in between your arms. Drop your right knee down. And then just. So this will be the last sequence. And I will give you some time. Praveenyoga, Praveenyoga new option. Yeah? Option mode, option high, option bar, bone, num. So duak, you try. So just name Praveen. You try to look at me. First, you can hand on the back. Thigh file right hand up, hong kan up, nin tha, eat wow, and then thumbs up. Try. Option mode, option high. And you can try. Option bone, num. Option sao. Option sao kia nha. Con Việt thêm. Con Việt thêm á? Hả? Con Việt thêm? Hả? Oh, little shoulder. Option sao.